Hello guys, it's last part of last video. It is the third part of last video. The topic is Scranton personal injury. It is the last part which I am describe you. Scranton product liability claims are Scranton personal injury attorney will help. If you suffer injury from a defective product, drug, birth, vehicle, or medical devices, our Scranton product liability attorney can help ensure you receive fair compensation. You have helped people in Scranton pursue claims involving hernia, mesh, striker hype, implants, takata, airbags, and other potentially harmful products on the market today. Scranton Medical Malpractice Attorney will fight and win your case. Scranton is home to some of the region's best hospitals and medical facilities, but none are immune to incidents of negligence and errors. If you suffered an injury or illness or lost a loved one due to a medical error or misdiagnosis, we can help a Scranton medical malpractice lawyer in our Scranton firm will review the details and development of your situation. At no charge, we injury lawyers work with experienced doctor and expert to thoroughly examine and view medical records, treatment history, the timeline of events, and every detail of your narrative to determine liability. A personal injury lawyer will help with wrongful death lawsuit in Scranton. When negligence results in death, the at-fault company or person should be held accountable. A Scranton personal injury lawyer will seek to obtain justice for your family. Wrongful death lawsuit compensate the family of the loved one that was killed as a result of the negligence of another. Usually the plaintiff in this case is the estate of the individual killed. When you have a personal injury case in Lackawanna that involves wrongful death of a loved one, you should call the top wrongful death lawyer in Scranton. Monley Law. Nursing home abuse and neglect claims in Scranton. You need a personal injury lawyer. Scranton has a large elderly population and several assisted living and long-term care facilities. Abuse and neglect of nursing home residents is a problem plaguing facilities nationwide, including those in our community. With some caregiver, it doesn't register with them. It is so important to care for the elderly. Some of their programs may have to walk to and need assistance and instead are left to go on their own. Nursing home abuse and neglect can lead to serious injuries like a fall or as a result the spread of contagious illness and even death. If your loved one has suffering a negligent elder care facilities, a Scranton nursing home lawyer can fight on behalf of your family. We will be there with you for the development of the case. How often do accidents occur in Scranton, PA? According to a report issued by the Finai Department of Transportation in 2015, 80,004 people were injured in a car accident during travel on the more than 120,000 miles of roadway and interstate in Finai. An additional 1,200 people were killed in the total 12 uh, 1,07,127 reported crashes overall. The national average is scary. The data source is no joke. These statistics show just how many of our friends, neighbors, and family members are affected by accidents. during activities each year in our great state. What's more, these numbers only reflect auto accidents, so when considering the frequency of slip and fall accident, defective consumer product, workplace injuries, and other serious accidents, it is easy to see how each of us may be affected in some way or another by the reckless or negligent action of other person. A portion of car accidents occur on the interest, resulting in 100 deaths and 5,175 people injured. No, instead, state highway account for the majority, 82,040 of accidents with 851 fatalities and 55,398 persons injured. Accidents reported on local roads, 32,011 included 233 fatalities and another 19,233 persons injured. It is a long topic which I am cover in this video. How do I know if I have a personal injury claim in Scranton? A, a successful claim for personal injuries must satisfy the following four criteria. The party who was at fault owned the injured victim and duty of care. For instance, a company has a responsibility to keep its customers and staff safe while visiting the property. That duty of care had been broken by the careless party. Using the example above, the company failed to solve the sidewalk after a snowfall, causing the sidewalk to become very slippery. The beach caused the victim to sustain damage. A student was entering the school when they tripped on the back ice on the sidewalk. The customer fell and smacked their head on the sidewalk, they suffering a broken limbs and conclusion. Damages were a result of the injury. Any medical expense, lost pay, emotional hardship and pain and suffering are all considering damages. The Scranton personal injury lawyer at Monley Law will fight for you. The Scranton personal injury lawyer of Monley Law personal injuries attorney have grown up and lived in this district area for the majority of their lives. We know the people of this region and how hard they work for their paychecks when a save severe accident hits and you are unable to work. We know the worry and the suffering you may experience. We will be right there with you during the development of your case. That is why for more than 60 years our attorney have worked non-stop to make sure your clients get what they deserve. If you have been injured in an accident in Scranton, Penny, don't wait much longer. You don't have to travel far in Scranton. We are located right downtown. Contact the Scranton Personal Injury Attorney at Monley Law today for any info by chatting live, filling out our email form, and calling today. This is the form you can fill and send them, and they are helped out. These are there. You can click on these and you can get more knowledge. This is the site you can uh, go there, and also it is their physical address and number. You can go there. These are the partner of this site. So it is the end of this site. You can find out your solution from there if you have any problem. It is the end of this third part and final part. I know it is long video, but the information is right. That's why I'm making three parts of this video. So now take care. Bye bye.